Good morning everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar from Krishna Public School Meerut from class 10th. Today we'll take a new story from our second book, chapter 3, that is The Midnight Visitor. Like every day, I'll be giving you detailed summary that will certainly help my dear students in their examination for scoring good marks. So the title of the story is The Midnight Visitor. There are two words. The first word is midnight. Midnight, that means somewhere it is called dead night or somewhere it is called 0 hours. Visitor, a person who arrives just to meet someone, just for a purpose. And so this is the title of the story. And so at the very starting, I just tell you that what we are going to study in this chapter. Actually, the entire story is all about two spy persons. First spy person is a hero and the second spy person is a villain. So now let us know in detail that what is the story. The chapter The Midnight Visitor is written by Robert Arthur. Here I have given you the name of the chapter, that is The Midnight Visitor, and its writer Robert Arthur. There are some certain characters in this story that follow as. First, Ozable. Ozable is a spy person, lazy, fat, but a man of quick action. Just few seconds back I told you that it is the story of two spy persons, two detective persons. Here comes the first character of the story, that is Ozable. Ozable is the main character who is actually a hero of this story. By appearance, he looks fat, lazy, but despite having these qualities, he is a man of quick action. Now here comes second character, that is Max, another spy person who wants Ozable with pistol to give him that report coming to Ozable. So here comes the second character, that is Max. Max actually he is also a detective person for a negative purpose. He actually comes to meet Ozable in a hotel. Ozable has got his room on the 6th floor of a hotel, that is a French hotel, and Max comes over there just to get a report concerning some missiles related to history. Max needs it anyhow. And Max has got pistol in his hand, and on behalf of that he wants Ozable just to get him that report that is about to come to Ozable. Fowler is a writer who wants to write a horror story on a spy person. Apart from these two characters, these two detective persons, one more character is also there, that is Fowler. Fowler is a writer who is actually very much keen to write a horror story on a spy person. Somebody has advised him just to meet Ozable, as Ozable is a spy person. So Fowler comes to meet him in French hotel. This story is all about how Ozable outwits Max and brings him to death. Throughout the story we will be knowing that how Ozable outwits, deceives Max and brings him to death. Ozibel is a secret agent but does not have any description of a secret agent. Ozibel, who is actually a secret agent and very much enthusiastic, very much energetic, but by appearance, he does not have any description. He does not have any appearance that look like a secret person. He actually is very much fat, very lazy, very lethargic. Fowler comes to meet him in a small room which is on 6th floor of a French hotel. Somebody suggested Fowler, who is actually is a writer who wants to write a horror story to get name and fame. So Fowler comes to that French hotel just to meet Ozibel for his purpose, as he wants to write a horror story. He actually meets Ozibel at ground floor. Ozibel is a man of quick action, as he makes two false stories to outwit Max. One is of balcony below the window of his room. Second, arrival of the police with report. As Fowler comes over there to meet Ozibel, they both get continued arriving Ozibel's room. After some time, they both reach Ozibel's room. As Ozibel opens his door of his room, at once Ozibel finds somebody inside, standing in the middle of the room, in the center of the room. There was a person named Max. And having seen Max standing in the middle of the room, they both, Ozibel and Fowler, get astonished. Ozibel wants to know the reason that why Max has come. Max reveals the truth that he has come over there just to get that report concerning some missiles related to history. Max needs it anyhow. So Ozibel makes a strategy, makes a plan in his mind. He makes Max believe that after 30 minutes, when it is 31 minutes, police will be arriving over there with that report. Max many times gives him warning that he needs it very urgent. When Max comes to know that report will be arriving there, will be approaching there with police. So Max warns Ozibel that he must send the police back anyhow. And apart from this, Ozibel wants to know the way that how Max has entered Ozibel's room. He makes a story that he must have come with the help of balcony that was below the window of his room. So just to outwit Max, he makes two false stories. One is that certainly Max would have come with the help of balcony that was below of the window of his room, and the second, that arrival of the police. When after half an hour, when it is 31 minutes, there was a knocking at the door, and that keeps going again and again. Ozibel says to Max that police has come now, and I have got to open the door. In case I do not open the door, they will forcibly enter the room and just arrest you. They are not going to leave you. So, on behalf of his pistol, he wants him to send them back. And somehow he gets close to window. Who gets close to window? Max gets close to window. And just in few moments, the door is opened. Both the action take place simultaneously. Max jumps out of the window and opening the door takes place simultaneously. So after couple of seconds there was a cry, and it was from Max. Max died, as there was no balcony below the window of his room. And it was not the police, it was waiter named Henry. He was instructed before half an hour by Ozable that when it is 30 minutes you have got to come to my room just with wine. So having seen and felt these incidents, Fowler comes to know that what I was thinking about Ozable, that was wrong. He is actually a detective person, a spy person. So now, with the help of this story, we have studied that how Ozable outwitted Max and brought him to death. So this was all about the chapter. Thank you very much, and I'm sure it will certainly help my dear students in their examination for scoring good marks. This is Mr. Neeraj Kumar from Krishna Public School. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.